Hello everyone, today we are doing 5 healthy breakfast options. The first one is going to be protein smoothie. Here are the ingredients: oats, dry fruits, protein powder, a banana can be added as well. You mix all the ingredients and your smoothie will be ready. It will take hardly 1 to 3 minutes. So when you are getting late, so it's a very good option for the breakfast. That's why I'm keeping on number 1. Here you go, your smoothie is ready. Option number 2: brown bread, peanut butter, 1 tablespoon honey, banana and some strawberries. Just keep it on a low flame for 2 to 3 minutes and then spread the peanut butter on the bread, then honey, banana, and you'll be ready with your peanut butter sandwich. Here you go, ready to consume in 2 to 5 minutes max. Number 3, you need eggs, olive oil, Himalayan pink salt, onion and haldi. You can see all the ingredients. Mix it well, keep it on a low flame for 2 to 5 minutes and it will be ready. When you get late, again it's a very good option. Your omelette is ready, good to go. Number 4 is very easy. You need dry fruits and you need fruits. Just make sure you keep them for overnight and good to go. Number 5, you're gonna have oatmeal. Oats, milk, dry fruits, a banana can be added here again. That's all you need. You can see all the ingredients. Just mix it well again, low flame 2 to 3 minutes, good to go.